Hi, I'm Sherri with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm here today with Mike Fodge with AZOMITE, and we are going to talk about the benefits and why you would use AZOMITE. Can you tell us a little bit where it's from and what it is?
Well, AZOMITE is manufactured in Nephi, Utah. It's about 2 hours south of Salt Lake City. It is a micronutrient package. It has all the minerals from, not all, but from A to Z of minerals, including trace elements. So there's about 92 of those elements that are beneficial for plants and animals, and AZOMITE has a majority of those.
Wow. So it's a vitamin supplement for your plants and lawn.
Absolutely, because your traditional fertilizer will not have these micronutrients.
Right.
So the plant needs at least a minimum requirements in order to do their optimal. AZOMITE will give you that chance to provide your plants in residential landscapes with everything they need.
Yeah, and it comes in these two great convenient sizes. The smaller one for small projects, and then this 44-pound bag can go up to how far?
A half an acre.
Half an acre. So one bag in your yard will do it all. Kind of boost your immune response. So for more great tips like this, join us at HomeShow Garden Pros.